A warm welcome to your grade 12s. Today let's look at geometric sequence and kill this question. Given the geometric sequence of 6, we have x and 54. Alright, so we have 6x, 54. This is a geometric sequence. And the very first question says, or the only question is, calculate the value of x. We have to calculate the value of x. Alright, let's waste no time, ladies and gents. So our 1.1, question 1.1. Let's calculate the value of x. Look, just before we move forward, you know that in this case we have a common ratio. And in order for us to receive that common ratio, even if we're moving forward or backwards, okay, we're going to get the constant common ratio between the terms. So for example, if I say 54 divided by x, by this ratio that we're looking for here, will be the same as T2 divided by 6 or divided by T1. Alright, yes. The procedure will say T3 divided by T2, the ratio, which is also equal to term number 2 divided by term number 1. Let's apply them downwards. So we have T3 over T2. T3 over T2 will be equal to T2 over T1. So meaning that this is equal to the common ratio. Also this is equal to the common ratio. So the common ratio is always the same in a geometric sequence because we're multiplying by a constant ratio. Okay? Yes, in order to get the next following term. Even if we're moving backwards, we're going to divide by that specific common ratio. Simple and straightforward. Hope you understand. So T3 is 54. So we have 54 divided by T2, which is equals to x, which will be equals to, x over T1, which equals to 6. Can you see it? Yeah. Alright, let's cross multiply right now so that you can have a way forward. So x multiplied by x is equals to, so meaning that you're going to cross multiply x multiplied by x equals to x squared, which is equals to 54 multiplied by 6. 54 multiplied by 6. Okay? Let's press my calculators. 54 multiplied by 6, 324. So we have 324. There are two ways now to kill this cat. Let's first find x using the very first way. Look, the very first way is to just put a square root on x squared so that you can left with x to the power of 1. Okay? So that you can left with x. Okay? The square root of 324. Square root of 324 is equals to 18. So and therefore our x is equals to 18. Hope you all can see that. So let's find the second way of killing this cat. Alright, so x squared, we had x squared is equal to 324 in that particular state. So let's take 324, take this side and require the whole thing to be equal to 0. So I have x squared minus, because when it moves to this side, to the left hand side, it's going to change the sign from positive to negative. 324 is equal to 0. So you know that this is the same as this, or this is coming from this. Okay? Let's factorize x. So x multiplied by x squared. So you know that it's 18. It's 18. So the sign. So negative, positive. Right? So x squared, negative 18 multiplied by positive 18, negative 324. So, and therefore our x will be equals to 18, or our x will be equals to negative 18. But look, we're looking for a position there. So our x is equals to positive 18, x is not equal to negative 18. So the answer lies between the two, okay? But it's clear that our position can't be negative, so it must be a positive number, which is 18. And that's it. That's the end of our lesson. Video grade 12. And subscribe and read the channel.